Here is the database. I will send you how to log in into the system. So as soon as you log in, it will show something like this. Okay. Root and organizations. Once you expand organizations, you will see H, and then under that you will see Henry Avocado. Then from this node, you can go to the most important three things are these things for ELD: truck ELD events, truck ELDs, and truck logs. So the first thing from Android, I noticed uh, truck logs and truck ELDs are actually it's getting sent. Let me explain. So today I was playing with Android and I noticed in 2017, if you go to October 17th, I logged in as a draw, and they created this head. So we call this as a head. Under that there is a 1017 whatever this date. So I have this data. So this is the data I have. So this is being posted every 10 seconds. So every time when you post, you create head and then date, and you post this coding and the data. So maybe since it's working from Android, you can check how they are doing, how they are creating this head, how they are creating this date. You just investigate that. That's the first thing. And then going back to truck ELDs. Truck ELDs also, I saw the data posted for 17th. So I logged in as a draw, and see this. He created this head like a draw 1017, what the date format and the timestamp format. So this is the first name, last name, date, and the timestamp. So this is what he created, and like the 1017. So here is the content. So here the issue is we are not sending a latitude and longitude. You can fix this issue. Why we are not able to send? I see there was sending time, the city, direction. I'm not sure what is these two parameters they are sending. It's always 0 0. Can you please investigate and let me know what is that? And this is an event. It's like on duty working and then driving. So it's sent by driver. Okay. So that is the event type, and investigate that. And then next, I'm expecting truck ELD events as well. If I refresh, right click and refresh, you can see that. Okay, but there is nothing for 17th. See that there's nothing. So these events are created by iOS. If you look at under 16, there is a one head which is first name, last name, hyphen, and this ID. I believe this ID is some random generated ID or whatever. But let's see, what is this ID? Yeah, it looks like a random generated ID because I don't see anything related to that. So these events are very simple events. Every time when driver changes, so you basically post it. Let's say example. So draw created all these events, right? It's like 5:30 morning, 5:30 he started driving, and that is a one event. Then and there is no content for this type of events, just coding you need to pass. Then at 3:30, 3:54, almost 4 o'clock, there was a diagnostic data diagnostic started, and 54 everything is like data diagnosis, and 54:20 diagnosis. And then again something happened at 10 o'clock, like login, and then driver whatever, this another event, and then diagnosis and driving. See event code in service monitor, whatever these different types of events they are sending. So we need to log something like this in Android. The first thing you need to understand how they are setting this head and how they are sending this data. Try to understand in Android for this code base, and try to set this truck event logs or ELD events. That's the first thing I want you to work on.